Welcome to this new Solaris system install video. This is a full system starting from a dedicated air ionizer unit to dedicated UV lamps for coil services, as well as a air purifier that installs in the plenum once the air leaves the HVAC system. In this first part, you'll be seeing us installing our bipolar ionization device, which in this scenario, we're installing just before the filter, which will allow a better particulate load to be caught up by the filter, no matter whose manufacturer it is. It's a very quick install. You can install inside and outside the air duct or equipment environment. In this next step, we'll be installing dedicated UV lamps, which can be plugged into the main control center of the Solaris system. In this install, we're putting 2 lamps above the A coil. This will inhibit any type of growth on the surface of the coil, which improves energy efficiency of the system in between service calls, but also inhibiting any potential growth of any type of surface area bacteria, fungus, mold, even allergen growth, etc. This is a great way to ensure your coils stay clean and remove those types of contaminants 24/7 while the UV light is shining. After this scenario, we will move on to the dedicated air purifier that we put in the plenum environment above this HVAC unit. And again, this would work for furnaces, air handlers, etc. There's multiple models of this available. In this scenario, we're using our metal surfaced model. We also have one that's very popular with carbon. But again, you're simply cutting an access hole, sliding it into the environment. And again, this is a plug and play device into our main control center. So this unit also is designed to shine 24/7. You want to be purifying your air 24/7 as the air is moving through your ductwork. The beauty of this Solaris system is that all of these devices plug into this new control center. So completely plug and play, mount it as you see fit. In this scenario, we're putting it on the sidewall next to the HVAC system. All the devices plug in. And again, in this control center, we'll have built-in alerts and alarms in case anything fails. This is just another scenario here of that dedicated air purifier. This is the carbon version of that. And again, whether it's metal or carbon, where you want active or passive photocatalytic oxidation coming out of those units, all of these devices are a simple plug and play. Make sure you check out the rest of this product line at SolarisIAQ.com.